Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for lemon blueberry loaf cake. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at these ingredients. Today I'll be using fresh blueberries, but feel free to use the frozen kind if you like. I have here some all-purpose flour, some sugar, eggs, melted butter, regular whole milk. I have some lemon zest and lemon juice, some vanilla extract, and I'll be using some salt and baking powder. Let's get started. To begin, you want to combine all your dry ingredients, which are the salt, baking powder, and the flour. Mix well and set aside. Next, we're going to start combining our wet ingredients. We're going to add the egg, the lemon zest to cut the rawness. Then we will add a little bit of yellow food coloring to give the cake that authentic yellow lemon color. Once you whisk everything to combine, we're going to then follow up with the rest of our wet ingredients. Once all the wet ingredients are combined, you want to now add your dry ingredients a little at a time, and you want to gently fold it in to avoid over mixing the batter. So at this point, we're going to add our blueberries in last, but first you want to add a tablespoon of flour, give them a toss. This should help to prevent the blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the cake. Once they are mixed in, you want to now add it to your batter, gently fold it in, and that's basically it. We're all done. Now it's time to transfer this batter into our baking pan. Today I'll be using a loaf pan, which I already greased and added some parchment paper, but feel free to use any pan of your choice. It really doesn't matter. Once the batter is added, we will now place this into a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes to an hour or so. Once 45 minutes was up, this is how my cake is looking. It smells so good. I can smell all the lemons in there, and I can't wait to dig in. But first, we're gonna remove it from the baking pan, place it on a wire rack, and allow it to cool down completely before we add a yummy lemon glaze to the cake. So for the glaze, you'll need some powdered or icing sugar, some lemon zest, and lemon juice. Super simple. Just mix all the ingredients to combine and pour it over top of your cake. And you want to allow it to just harden up a bit for about 10 minutes before slicing into the cake to see what it looks like. Once I cut into my cake, this is what it looks like. Pure perfection. It was so moist. All those blueberries was just amazing in there. And I served mine up with a scoop of ice cream, and I enjoyed it. I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.